Hey guys, it's Batsy here. Wanted to thank you for clicking on the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and helps us grow so we can bring you more quality content, and then we'll go ahead and get you to the gardens at Bellagio a lot faster. Alright guys, Ace of Bats here, representing Ace of Vegas with my girl HQ over here. Harley, say what's up. Alright, and we
You did that little too soon by the stairs. I almost was thinking about falling.
Oh, well, don't fall. Jeez.
Sorry, guys.
Alright.
I'm clumsy.
See, this is why Harley's the new partner here instead of Mr. J. He would have died. they don't know who Jay is.
Oh no.
He was on my Yu-Gi-Oh channel before I started doing this for any of you non-transferring fans. So, all right. So we're gonna go to the MGM Grand Pool Complex. Thank you, Harley. And we are here. So this is probably the bumpinest pool. Well, one of the top 5 bumpinest pools in Vegas over here. So what we do, you get your room key out, and you flash them the room key, and they just go ahead and let you on in, and then you get to see all of the hot fire action going down. It's going to be a good time. That was a good buddy. All right. And I think we just go ahead and pick up we can pick up towels and all that. You want to do a walk around first?
Yeah, let's walk around this bit.
We have the Cabana Grill, the Lazy River, and the Tube Shop to the left over here, or you can take the right, check out the private reserve pool and bar, the splash shop. They got the restrooms, the Lucky Live pool, and we're just gonna go ahead and check it all out. But this is like the main pool they have over here. It's an all ages pool, so you'll see kids running around, teenagers and all that. This time of day, on a weekday, this time of year, a lot of them are in school and all that, so you're not gonna see that much out. You got a lot of foreign kids that are just on holiday with their mom and dad, and they'll just go ahead and come out and hang out at the pool too, because there's not much to do at this casino for kids. It's ridiculous. There's so many people out there with like baby carriages and all that, 2 o'clock in the damn morning. We're like
having the toddlers run around, grabbing their hand.
Right, we're sitting here like, hey, we are drunk AF. There's no room for small children here. It's not a good environment. Not that we actually said anything, but you know, we didn't care.
We were thinking it.
We're thinking it a lot. That's what counts. Here is the Live Lucky Pool and Spa. So it's a big rectangular pool, as you can see. A lot of day beds, a lot of cabanas, a lot of chairs. If you want a chair, you have to kind of roll up early because it gets crowded. And yeah, so get close range. I don't think the pool gets too deep. I think it's only about 3 or 4 feet. Yeah, it looks just kind of a wading pool really. Cabanas and day beds over here too. They're not a bad deal sometimes. What I usually like to do is I usually like to wait until a little later on in the day, and then I will actually just request to see, hey, do you guys want to go ahead and kick us a deal? Like instead of paying $75, I'll be like, yo, go ahead and work out a deal. They'll give it to us for like 30 or 40, and then maybe kick in a beer or two. And I'm usually drinking, usually ordering stuff, usually eating. I think this is a private pool. Yeah, I think this is the Splash Pool and Spa. This is a private one. I think it's roped off for now, just because it's we're getting into the off season, so I don't think they have it open yet. But as you can see, it's just like really quiet, really chill over here, aside from the music. And there's that. I think the private reserve pool is back here. Oh! Can't beat the classics.
Nope.
This is the private reserve pool. They have the private cabanas in here too. It's 18 and up. I'm not sure if that one's open quite yet either. They got the Jello shots of the director's bar and all. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer, because it is supposed to be 18 plus, and luckily we're 18 plus. Otherwise, I have no idea how I got a reservation. Everybody! That's going up. You know that, right?
Oh God.
Yeah. There you go.
Jello shots in it.
We know what you're about. Don't lie.
With the flavoring, possibly.
Oh, there you go.
I wonder if you could just make Jello shots, but instead of vodka, you just use tequila. We should do that.
Yeah, so you got me thinking about that.
We need to do it.
All right, pending Ace of Vegas experiment, guys. Can we make margarita shots for Jello instead of vodka Jello shots?
That would be epic.
I know. Comments in the comment section down below if you guys have ever tried anything like that, and let us know if it worked or not, so we don't waste an entire handle of tequila. I think she brought some out. So that was the thing.
She don't like tequila like that.
No?
She says it makes her clothes fall off.
No comment.
And stay on. Just kidding. it.
All right, so we are out here just kind of chilling around. So the main pool's over there. We already saw that. So we'll go ahead and check out. I don't think Wet Republic's open today because it's Tuesday. It's usually like, I think it's like Thursday through Monday it's open. So Tuesday and Wednesday it's closed. We missed out on that. But here is the bridge to the lazy river. Now this is my favorite part of the pool actually. I think we should get in here. And we'll get in here and we'll show you how the lazy river is. Sorry, I bumped into you.
I gotta bring out mine. It's so wonderful.
Oh yeah, and you guys are gonna have to follow HQ on her Snapchat there. I'll go ahead and put her. Is it a handle or is it a tag or what do we do?
It's just a name. We'll go search it.
All right, I'll put her Snapchat name in the description. I'll put a link in the description box below, and I'll also go ahead and put the Snapchat name on screen for you guys. So.
Yep.
Then you can follow her.
We'll figure out a way for all your viewers.
Yes, also yes. And I will be posted on her Snapchat too because that's how we roll.
Yep.
Family!
Yes.
Woo!
I was like, don't raise your hand too high, I can't reach.
Right? I'm only like 3 feet taller than you, it's cool. And they have like really attentive wait staff around here too. I really do like the service at this pool. It's bigger, obviously, than the private pool I showed you guys earlier in the week or last week. I can't remember when I posted the video. I apologize. But here is the lazy river, and we'll actually do a run around in the lazy river here in a minute. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys all the cool stuff.
I like this stuff.
Right? We might see about even getting a cabana if we can too. Like if it's a reasonable price, I might even go ahead and just put up the cash for that. See if I can talk to one of the guys about getting a reservation. Depending on how long we stay, of course, too. If we're not going to stay too long, I'm not going to bother. Now I want tequila. All right, and we're at the Wet Republic too. Now, yeah, it is closed today, unfortunately. The Wet Republic is. That's another one of the adults-only pools. I think that one's a optional pool, if you guys know what that means. So I probably wouldn't go in there and film anyway, out of respect for anybody that's decided to make their top optional, if you know what I mean. But that is an option. I think there's a cover to get in for guys. For ladies, it's usually really cheap or it's free, especially during the week there. But it's mainly, I think it's mainly just to weed out cheap guys and all that and kind of get rid of the perverts. So, of course, I guess if there's a pervert with some money, it doesn't really change anything. Also, we are in the Drift Bar over here, too, so they have pools. And then this is where they line up all the margaritas and all the beers and all that. And this is kind of the headquarters for the wait staff here, too. And yeah, so we're back out. We got more chairs over here. It's early, so it's still pretty easy to get a chair. It's a really big pool, so you can post up somewhere and have a good time. We'll probably talk a little bit more about how the experience is, and I think we're going to go ahead and jump into the lazy river a little bit and check things out there. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and see if we can find a spot over in the lazy river. Unfortunately, they don't rent the tubes anymore. They used to back in the day. I don't know, last time I came here at MGM, it was probably like 2-3 years ago, but they rented the tubes and all that, and now they just don't rent the tubes anymore. So we're going to go ahead and just run down there, see about just floating through personally, and we'll just rock and roll from there. All right, guys, round 2, in we go into the deep. And I lost track of Harley already. So let's go ahead and jump on in and see if we can find her, yeah? Alright. So you're really supposed to do this kind of with an inner tube, but they're charging like $20 for a small inner tube, so I sent someone off to that. And we're just gonna go ahead and roll on through. We're doing this Ace of Vegas style, boys and girls. Her case, she's got this. She got her drink, she got her case. Sister knows how to do it. Right? Hey, solid that, right? No, they used to rent him like a couple years ago. I think they quit doing it. They're trying to like make some money or something like that. I know, really makes me exactly. And it's it's not like the water's not moving you anyway, so who cares? It's just so much fun.
Same difference, guys. Same difference.
Right? All right. All right. There we go. This guy's got the right taste in beer. Dos Equis all day. My brother. This is fun. I love this case. It's so waterproof. It's so waterproof. It is a waterproof case.
It's like
I feel like the Flash going through. Oh, here comes the waterfall. Let's go. I can't swim with this stupid thing in my hand. Oh my god, this is so much fun. I think there's another waterfall over here somewhere. There's also, like, it leads off into another pool, too, that has a big-ass waterfall somewhere around here. Oh my god, there's our friend with the tats. Oh my god! What's up, girl? How you doing? Good to see ya. Ah! Cheers. Yes, it is. You can. Check it out. And there we are. Isn't this great? Yeah, let's go for it. And we are at the end of the lazy river, guys. It was a good game, right? Good game, ladies. Up top, good game, yeah. All right. All right, I'm gonna take a break here. But yes, we had a great time. Ace of Vegas, signing out, guys. Peace out.